What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Everything Alex, and I'm back at it again with another YouTube video. So before we do get into this video, if you are new to this channel or what it is, hey, or what's up, got your head in the cut, goddamn what it is. What's poppin'? I'm happy to have you here. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey boy, hey girl, I missed you. Okay, so today's video is just basically going to be a natural hair wash day. Okay, so if, like I said, if you're an OG to this channel, you already know my hair is never out. I just don't have the time nor the patience for it, but I'm making time today. Okay, COVID-19 has assured that I have time. Okay, so I'll be taking out these godforsaken braids that's been in my head for Lord knows how long. I've been riding with these things till the wheels fall off, and baby, the wheels are falling off. I mean, they still pretty, yes, but they gots to go. My boyfriend complained that my hair stank, and I know it stinks because I run every single morning, and then on top of that, I put oil and grease in my hair, so I could only imagine the catastrophe that is that. Okay, so before we do get into this video, please make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe. You know, all of that, hey, all of that, hey, all of that, hey, all of that. And make sure you do keep supporting the culture all 2020. Gang. Hit it for me, can't stop. Hey, won't stop. Hey, dun. Hey, hit it, done. Hey, hit it, done. Hit it one more time. Dun. Yes. Make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you do keep supporting the culture all 2020. And also make sure you do turn on them post notifications so you can be notified every time I post. Okay. So yeah, like I said, I'm about to take out these godforsaken braids, and you know, I will be back when my hair is taken out. So this is the last time I'm looking like the hood rich Beyonce. Okay, this is the last time I'm looking like hood rich Beyonce. The next time y'all see me, I ain't gonna hold you, I'll probably be looking like Aunt Jemima. Not even trying to be funny, but yeah, so I'll be back. I don't know why I cut these things that long when I know I'm bald head. Like, girl, you know you ain't got no hair. I know y'all know that one person who be cutting, like, when they be getting ready to take out their plaits or something like that, or they braids, and they cut their hair super long, knowing darn well, boo, your hair is still at your roots. Why are you cutting it that long for? You just making us work harder, like. Alright, so now we're into the voiceover portion of this video. So after I done took out all that stank synthetic hair, what I like to do is do like the apple cider vinegar rinse. So disclaimer, this is my second time actually doing this process, so I'm not even finna cap like I'm this you know, natural hair guru, because I'm not. I'm really just still learning. And honestly, if y'all got tips for me, give it to me, okay, please, because I'm trying to flourish in every aspect of my life. My hair, my nails, my makeup, my skin, you feel me? I mean, I got my skin down packed, but everything else starting to, like, you know, I needed to fall in line. So yeah, I'm just parting my hair into 4 different sections, because y'all already know when you're doing your natural hair, you want to try to, you know, not tangle it as much. So that's easier to do when you part it into 4. And so part into 4, and then now I'm just gonna take a wide tooth comb and just like part little sections again, and then spray the apple cider vinegar mixture on my roots. So what is in this bottle is just it's basically like, well, you can make yours to the ratio that you like, but I do half apple cider vinegar, and then I do half water. That's what I do. Most people recommend a 1 to 4 ratio, but like I said, you do what you want when you pop it, okay? So I'm spraying that on my roots right now, and I'm focusing more on my roots because I want all that gunk and all that funk to, you know, get up out my hair. This apple cider vinegar rinse is supposed to it's supposed to like make your curls start back popping again, and just bring some more life into your hair, and it's supposed to cleanse your hair. So that's why I do this. And as y'all can see right there, I got like a little blonde little patch in my head. That is my birthmark because I'm special. All right. So yeah, I'm just be doing that to my whole head basically. So yeah, I already done did all 4 of them, and what I was really focusing on at first was the roots, but then I went back in and just started spraying like my whole head, because like I said, I want to reinforce my curls. So I wanted to focus on the roots first, and then I went back in and started spraying my whole head, and I definitely made sure I got them pesky no edges that I don't got, but that's neither here nor there. And then now I'm taking this little head massager. I've had this for like a while. Don't really remember where I got it from, but you can get them from Amazon, so that's that on that. But yeah, I'm just massaging my scalp, getting the circulation moving and the blood flowing. And then like I also made sure I massage my edges, like, because baby, blood needs to start flowing there so hair can start flowing there. Like, all jokes aside, I ain't even joking around right now. So I'm just going to leave this on for 15 minutes. And y'all, peanut butter and jelly is so good. Like, for the longest, I used to tell people, like, growing up, I'd be like, oh, I'm allergic to peanut butter and jelly. But that's because when I was a child, I didn't want to eat that. But I got back on because somebody I liked, I saw him eating peanut butter and jelly. I was like, oh, let me get like him. Just real childish, but they be hitting, okay? So now 15 minutes has passed, and now we're going to be washing our hair with the Carol's Daughter Cocoa Cream line, okay? I use the shampoo and the conditioner set, and right now I'm just rinsing off, just rinsing out that apple cider vinegar mix. And I know we're not using Carol's Daughter no more because that's not a black-owned business. But we all know how much Carol's Daughters cost, and I'd be a fool not to finish using what I already purchased. Okay, so once I'm done using her, baby, be gone. I'm on to the next. So like they say, when you're washing your hair, you want to focus more on the roots, and then you want to just let the remaining soap kind of just slide down the ends. So that's what I'm doing right now, just making sure I get those roots, get all up in there, get all that dirt and gunk out of my hair, and make sure it's not smelling as funky as it used to smell. Now I can't say my hair has been growing, okay? I ain't even gonna hold myself. It has been growing, but now I'm just taking it more serious and trying to, implement all the things that I've been learning watching all these hair videos. So I'm just gonna rinse that out, and when I wash my hair, I always wash my hair like twice, just to, make sure it's out. But I'm not gonna show y'all that because clearly y'all know how to wash y'all hair. Y'all grown. Y'all should know how to wash y'all hair. And then like my conditioner already conditioned, so y'all should know how to do that. That's how it's looking. Nice, healthy, voluptuous. So now I'm using my Texture ID Deep Treatment Mask. Oh my gosh. Give me life, give me life, give me life. Alright. Texture ID really be hitting. And let me put y'all on. I forgot who video I watched, but I watched somebody's video and they were saying, oh, these are some good products for your natural hair, especially if you're a beginner. And clearly I'm a beginner, so I had to step down and I went to Sally's and I had to go get all this stuff. Like, I'm not even holding you. Like, I had to go get all this stuff just to use it, like, for a couple times. So once again, parting my hair just so I can give it the love and affection it desires, and I'm just putting that on, raking it through them curls. I know y'all see them curls because them curls is like trying to show out. My curls be trying to show out, but I be like, hold on, slow your roll, you feel me? So yeah, I'm just gonna keep massaging that through my hair, keep raking that, make sure I get on them ends. Oh my gosh, I am pleased right now. Yes, 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 girl. All right, so like I said, as y'all can see, there we go. Transition, bam, pop. Don't play with me. Now, one thing I can say about my natural hair, I don't know if I'm the only one, but my curls be popping in the back more than in the front. I don't like that, so I'm trying to fix that. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this on for 30 minutes. 30 minutes, that's what I'm gonna do. And now we back, taking it off, and like I was just really feeling it. Like, y'all, get this Texture ID deep treatment mask, okay? So here we are, basically, like, you know, done with the wash and go, but not even the wash and go, but this was my wash day. We done with it. As y'all can see, invisible edges, stealth mode, don't play with me. But there you go, curls popping, everything popping, okay? So like I said, make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you do keep supporting the culture all 2020. And if y'all got any tips or tricks for dealing with your natural hair, please leave them down below because I need them. Okay, thank you, bye.